In this next video, we would like to show you how you maintain the lifespan of your batteries. If you buy the dealer pack, 3 battery chargers balancers are included in the pack. You can always order more through our web shop. Now, if you fill your batteries, you need to make sure that all the cells of your batteries are fully energized. On the bottom side of the charger, there are 2 ports. The small one is for the blaster, the big one is for the AK. The white connector you put in the charger like this, and then insert the power. As you can see, the 2 cells are in red because this is a 2-cell battery. 1 cell is now fully loaded. The balancer will make sure that the second cell will also be fully loaded. When all the lights are in green, then you can disconnect the battery. We can also supply you with an energy tester. You can find this on our web shop. What you want to do is hook up the white connector with the black wire on the left side, like this. And then it will show you on all the cells, 8.22, cell number 1, 4.12, cell number 2, 4.08. This means that this battery is full enough for use. You do not want to make the battery energy drop under the 3 volts.